Open file from the command line on Windows. On Mac OS X and GNOME on Linux, there are commands that can be used to open files from the command line and their associated GUI editors, Open and GNOME Open, respectively. Is there any command like this for Windows?
If it is a registered extension, you can use start as in.
If you are currently in the command prompt and have a file called test.png and, which are located in c:\test, you can do the following. If you are at the directory, so should say c:\test, just type, which would open test in the default PNG picture editor. If the file's name contains spaces, then simply enclose the file name within. You can alternatively type which will open the file no matter where you currently are. Finally, you can pass the picture to another program. For example, if you have an image editor called imageedit.exe and it supports opening files through command lines, and if the program is path/accessible or you are in its current directory, you can type the following.
On Windows, Command Line Explorer will open the file path with Windows default associated programs. This will also handle all URIs, HTTP://HTTPS://FTP, and other file protocols defined in Windows operating system. If the file or protocol is not associated with any program, then an Open with dialog will show up. If file is not present, then default My Documents folder will open up. It can also open executable files, exe, bat files, and shell namespace paths. Examples: Explorer http://www.google.com will open this URL in Windows default browser. Explorer file :c:\temp will open temp directory if present. Explorer file.txt will open file.txt on the current directory path, i.e. %cd% path.
Source: this URL. Simple and versatile.
The first parameter of start is a window title, so if you have a space in the file name, and you type start myfile.txt, you'll get a command line window with myfile.txt as the title. To get around this, use a dummy title. Start my title myfile.txt. Depending on the file and what application is open, there probably won't be a window to see anyway.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.